Hey everybody, welcome back to another MacBook repair that we have here. And we do have A1466. This one does have no power, but it's interesting because the client said that sometimes it would work and then other times it wouldn't, and whatever that really means, because that's really strange. We do see that, I did see that it was coming on for a bit. I know when we were diagnosing it, we did see that it was coming on for a bit, and now it's completely not working. So let's just go ahead and take a look at it and see really what the issue is and what we can do for this person. So let's see what the symptoms are. I'd like to take out back cover, see if there's anything crazy on it. Maybe there's a little bit of something here. Maybe that's a liquid spill. Who knows? That's probably what it is, right? It's always what these are. We did take out the battery there, connection. That's all we really did though. But when you plug it in, you're going to get your fan spin and no AC light. And I know there was one before. I don't know why it's not doing it now. There we go. Okay. Sometimes you have to do that. You have to adjust it. You can see it's green, now it's orange. The fan spins, and then there's no display, just nothing. We like to always do, because it's on, you can feel the CPU there, see if it's getting warm. It's not. We do feel that the SSD is getting warm, and we also do see that the fan eventually just dies. Take it out, see if there's anything obvious. We do have at least a bit of a start there. Maybe there's a liquid spill. Maybe that's what the problem is. So let's go ahead, open the rest of it, and then go from there. Okay, so this looks like an area that may have been impacted there. So we're good to actually that we did see some liquid spill, but we're also glad that we did see this as well. And let's go ahead and take a look. So we also do have right above that, I don't know why that blocked it, but we do have a cap and a resistor right there. You can see this is on a 3v3 line, and we also have a resistor. Looks like this is definitely corroded in this area. This is most likely our issue that we're having here. And then we will go ahead and see if we can fix this issue up here. Alright, so we're not too happy really with this area. We do know it's going to eventually deteriorate a little bit more and get worse because of the corrosion there. That was really bad. And the coating, what it's going to do is it's just going to keep getting worse, deteriorate a little bit more, and that's going to be a problem later. So we don't want the customer coming back. Just for now, we're just going to go ahead and test it, make sure it works, and then later we'll just make a jumper for this so there won't be any issues. Alright, so let's go ahead and just see if it does turn on and work. I believe it will this time because we actually did do something there. Okay, CPU's getting warm. I think we should get an image here, at least maybe a folder icon. I probably should have held Option key, but we don't have the hard drive plugged in. But I think this will work. Okay, so we have power there, and we do see that that was the problem with it. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave us a like. It really does help us a lot. Subscribe for more content, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.